Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this is all the headroom we need. We only need 4 to 6 inches on a door that is 16 up to 16 to 18 feet tall. When we get above that, we need about 8 to 10 inches. We use different hardware for the track up there and a little different roller system inside the track. On a door this size, the track carries no weight. All your weight is in the side. In the bigger doors, it does carry up to about 15% of the weight of the doors. Secondly, all of our weight's held in the side hinges, so it's very important to get the framing very solid on the sides, and we have framing details drawings that'll lay that out for you. When you press on the door on all 4 sides, you see that we sealed tightly. Everything's held in tight to the frame of the door, and up against it with this half moon lock, it's locked in. So one of the things you worry about is wearing out the weather stripping along the bottom, but we've countered that. But we have lifting hinges here that as the door opens, it lifts 3/4 of an inch, and it takes the pressure off the weather stripping along the bottom. So I'll show that. I should show you. So we have a lock here that each of the doors can lock, and the keys are here. So to release your door, you just press this in, release the half moon lock up here, and it starts opening. So as you see down here, it's starting to lift right away. So it takes the pressure off the weather stripping so you don't wear it out, and the door lifts. So you open the door and it opens all the way, catches a wind catch up here. As you can see, you've gained your entire opening. You don't lose any space on your opening, and your doors won't flop in the wind. To release this, we pull the latch, it releases from the catch up here, and the doors slide closed. And we have 1.5 inch rubber male-female combination here that fits tightly together. It avoids pinch points in the door. So you get your hand caught in the door, you just pull your hand out when you're done. It's very difficult to get anything through here, but it won't have pinch points for kids or people that aren't paying attention. These plates on the bottom, there are 3 different plates you can get. On a door this size, you don't actually need a plate. We did that for demonstration purposes. But for big doors, you can have cane bolts that drop down into the concrete about 1/2 inch, less than 1/2 inch, to help hold the door secure. There are 12 different colors of the steel. It's a 26 gauge steel. We use a polystyrene closed cell structural foam on the inside that will not absorb any moisture and will last for years and years, won't shrink. We can use stainless steel. These are galvanized, but we can use stainless steel hardware on different applications for high moisture, like car washes or dairy barns, hog barns, whatever they want. You can put windows in. These are double pane. We now go with triple pane windows. We're the only ones in the industry that I'm aware of that are using triple pane. And we now have a plastic outer shell that is either black or white. And so this is an example of an inward opening door. You can have it opening outward as well, just all the hardware is mounted on the outside. It doesn't cost any more to do it that way. Another thing to think about is you can do the inside different color from the outside. There's no extra charge to that. You can have these all glass, so you can design different features of the door. You can put a man door inside one of the panels. Yeah, basically it's welcome to the door revolution.